selling boats faster.
Here we are on the Hunter 340, listed with Boatship Portsmouth. I'll just step outside up into the vast cockpit area. And take you for a walk around the decks. Massive lockers, lovely aft seats, dinghy on the back there with pop davits, outboard, and the helm position. I'll just bring you around so that you can see the spray hood and walk you down the starboard side. The mast furling. As you can see, decks and windows and gel coat in a fantastic condition. Life raft. I'll just take you up to the forepeak. Stemhead furling. And I'll just show you the anchor windlass. There we are with foot pedals. I'll just close that again. And have you looking aft, down the port side, walking down, and back into the ample sized cockpit.